Big plan. What it do, gang? Today, we'll be finally putting this guy on here. We're gonna get this thing situated. Also, drop down in the comments, let me know what y'all think, man, with the videos. I got a little camera, you know, person following me around. Let me know, you know what I'm saying? Maybe we can get these videos like this more often, I don't know. But today, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get these brackets installed on here. Boom. They're gonna go up in there like that, like so, and that's gonna go in the car. We'll go over here to the other side and slide this other one in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and loosely fit them on there so that I can slide this into here. And then I'm going to go underneath and mark on the bottom side from here where you'll see these holes at. I'm going to mark on the inside, from inside the bumper onto the back of this. Then I'm gonna come back, take it off, drill through it, and fasten it to the bumper. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Trying to do this quick because it looks like the rain rolling in. But let me know, man, do y'all like the short videos? Do y'all like the long videos? You know. Also, I got another thing. I don't know if you guys remember a couple videos ago, I told you about the guy that painted Chris Rudnick drift car, the yellow BMW. I don't know if you guys follow Racing Me Out of though. But yeah, I hit him up, right? And he said he might be able to paint the car, which would be good because I can go ahead and we can get this, you know, fast track sped through. We can go ahead and get this car painted, man. That'd be great. Even though I want to paint it here, I'm just not really in the position to like paint it right now at this point. So we got those loosely fitted in there. Let me go to the other side because I don't think I want to. Bada bing, bada bing. Go ahead and pop this hood. Also, another thing. Y'all remember I changed the intake? Well, guess what? I'm gonna have to change it again because this one is just cheap and it's still leaking from up under here. I'm talking about dumping. So, yeah, that's another thing. We'll go ahead and get that situated. Get another one of those. And yeah, guys, we got a lot of content coming back. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and, you know, help this channel grow. This is gonna be a little bit tricky, but not really, you know what I'm saying? I did it before, so I kinda know what I need to do. gonna be able to run this phone back? No way.
It's sticking out too far?
I'm gonna have to cut the fucking tire. It's gonna take me a Alright, so as you can see, that is no longer behind there. Alright, then. I'm gonna go ahead and get the brackets in there. And then I'm gonna have to figure out a way. Probably I wanna try to still run that behind the bumper just because it might help it with the torque. But if not, I'm just gonna go ahead and probably get like a bash bar or something made up in there to fit it. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. It's not zipped in yet. I'm about to go ahead and get under here and zip these boys up in here. You know what I'm saying? slides out this bitch, boy. I'm telling you.
It's right there on the bumper.
Fuck nigga. What we gonna put that right there? Hit that motherfucker.
You try to run the beat?
Wee. Dog out there.
Ah, bitch. To run out of daylight. Damn. Storm is coming. So, yeah, we'll walk around a little bit and see how it looks, you know. So, looking right. KBD, I don't know, guys. It's just like super flexy, so, you know, certain spots are like just weird looking because, yeah, for instance, like right here, this would be up a little bit above, and it's not.